fellow designers, have you ever visited a website that was hard to navigate and just looked too complicated? We know we have, and we bet many of you have too. But what if we told you that you can make your designs 10 times better than the previous version? In this digital age, people are bored with old-looking designs and hard-to-read text. Great visuals not only increase website traffic but also improve user engagement. However, creating high-quality visuals can be time-consuming. But fear not, because today we will explore free illustration resources that can save you precious hours and transform your designs. Before we dive into the resources, let's understand what illustrations in UI designs are. Illustrations are like the magic that can transform your boring text into creative designs. They look like cartoons or close to animated designs, making your website come alive. Now let's check out the top 7 free illustration resources for UI design. First up, we have Canva, a widely used platform for creating designs and illustrations. Canva offers stickers, photos, and many other features for your creative needs. Next, there's Blush, a platform that lets you create customizable illustrations. With the Blush Doodler plan, you can access an infinite number of designs. StorySet is our third resource, offering over 100 customizable illustrative designs. What sets it apart is the ability to change colors and even access animated illustrations. If you are looking for colorful illustrations, Push is perfect for your e-commerce needs. You can download unlimited illustrations in PNG format for free. Scale offers over 200 high-quality illustrations in different colors and styles. It's perfect for various business models, and the best part is it's completely free. Craftwork is the go-to platform for special illustration packages. They offer more than 100 ready-made theme packs in various formats. To use free illustrations, you will need to sign up on each platform. Consider a paid plan for attribution-free designs so you can use them anywhere without worrying about copyright issues. There are many ways you can incorporate free illustrations into your design. Free illustrations into your UI design, whether to convey emotions, depict a brand story, improve brand reputation, create self-explanatory designs, or simplify complex information. And here's a secret bonus tip. Use beautiful illustrations to create a storyboard depicting the history of your brand and how your company has evolved over the years. It's a powerful way to build an impactful personal brand. In conclusion, if you are a graphic designer or a creative enthusiast, these free illustrations resources for UI design will undoubtedly enhance your creativity. If you know of any other illustration design libraries, be sure to share them in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting designs, tips, and resources. Until next time, keep creating amazing designs.